Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video, I'll show you how to do a return delivery against a GR, means goods receipt. Return delivery against goods receipt. Now, first of all, I'll display a purchase order ME23N. Going to display a purchase order wherein we can see the status of the purchase order and we can see the purchase order history as well. So, by using the feature purchase order history, we can understand that what all entries has happened against the purchase order. Now this is my purchase order. Against the same, I am in purchase order history tab. Here goods received has been done with 300 amount and with a 3 unit, means 100 was the 100 was the price for each unit, and multiplied by 3 unit, that means 300 amount. So GR had happened with the amount of 300, and then we have seen that goods invoice receipt has also happened, and that invoice receipt has got reversed as well. Here 300 is positive and here 300 is negative. Finally IR, means invoice receipt, is 0 as displayed here. However, goods receipt still exists. Goods receipt has happened and the material document was 5030. Now I am going inside the material document. I have just clicked on the material document number, thus it will open up the display of material document. It will directly take me to MyGo screen wherein the material document would be displayed. This is the MyGo screen where the MyGo document is being displayed, material document is being displayed. You can come here navigating through PO as I did, or else you directly can use MyGo transaction wherein you can choose display here and you can choose material document here and you can give the material document here and you can press enter. Thus you will be come inside the MyGo screen. Now I'm going to the document info, clicking on the FI document. I'll show you the accounting document posted against the GR, and as normally the accounting document would be the GRI stock inventory debit and GRIR credit. GRIR means goods receipt, invoice receipt. Now this is the normal entry. What has happened? Stock debit to GRIR. Now I'll do a return delivery against the GR. Now what is the return delivery against the GR? What is the concept of the same? The concept is I have received the goods and the goods receipt has got posted, but due to some reason I am returning these goods to my vendor. Why? There can be thousands of reasons. The reason being, there can be a poor quality of the product, or there can be a wrong product delivered. Say it may happen I have ordered a product, however I have received a different product, hence I received a wrong product. So I can return the product to my vendor and I can ask them for a newer one. That may happen, or it may happen that the quality of the product is poor, hence I'm deciding to get it returned. So SAP has given us the option of returning the goods, returning the delivery. So how to do the same? Now I have shown you the material document. I have shown you the same in the MyGo screen, and the material document number is this, that is 5030 is the material document number. I have to return against the material document number. Now I am copying the material document. I have copied. Now I'm directly going to MyGo screen. MyGo. This is the MyGo screen. Here you have to choose your suitable option, and mine would be return delivery, and it will be material document. I have chosen, and the material document number is this 5030, year given. Now I'll just click on this execute button. It has taken all the details given in the purchase order. Now I'll just click on the item OK. I'm coming in purchase order data. my purchase order number has been taken correctly. Delivery completed indicator set automatically. Okay. Now I'm going to where screen, where tab. Here, see, reason for movement. Reason for movement means reason for returning the delivery. I have to choose here. This is a mandatory field. SAP has given us this many options. If you want to add any new option, you can, and that is the configuration. And I have to choose. You can choose anything depending upon your business requirement. But let me choose this one, poor quality. Okay, so chosen. Now I have clicked on the item. Okay, I'll just click on the check button. Before that, vendor, document info and all. See, movement type has automatically taken 122, that is return to vendor, and perfectly fine. And the minus sign is also been shown. Why? Is because it will just be the reverse of the GR that has already been posted. Hence, the negative sign is absolutely fine. Now I'll click on the check button. System will give me the message whether the document is okay or not. Yes, document is okay. Now I'll click on the post button. Thus, the reversal of the GR would be posted. It may take a bit time, and you can display. It will display that the document number has got posted against the material document this. Yes, material document this has got posted. SAP has given us the message. Now I'll display, and my new material document is 5050. If sorry, I'm going to display the purchase order ME23N. It will show us all the details. Yes, the purchase order, this is being displayed perfectly. Material document 5050 is now posted here. That is the reversal of, I mean the return delivery of my GR, and that has come up with the negative sign 300. So initially this was my GR document. 5030 was the material document number, and the amount being 300, and then the return delivery had got posted with the material document number 5050 with the amount 300. Absolutely fine. Now I am going to display the new material document, that is the return delivery document with the movement type 122, and the GR was movement type 101 as expected. Now I am going to the material document, going to document inflow, then FI document. It will show us the accounting entry, and it will be just the opposite of the accounting entry posted against the GR. That is, their stock was debited and GRIR was credited. Here the opposite, GRIR is debited and stock is credited. Absolutely fine. Now I am going to display the header, wherein yes, MyGo GR tree code is there, goods received. That's fine. So that's it. I hope this much is very clear to you. If it is not, then please put your comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel, and please share as many as possible. Thank you. Bye. Take care.